Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I installed these passion twists. Super easy. They're crochet passion twists, but I didn't use a crochet needle, no rubber bands, no extra tools. I think this is my easiest and fastest way of installing a passion twist. It only took me 3 hours. 3 hours to install these. Before I jump into the installation, I'll leave the timestamp here where you can just fast forward to me installing if you want to go to that part. So let's go ahead and jump into this tutorial. So I lost the clip when I was showing y'all the hair outside the pack. This is the hair right here. It's a passion twist, 24 inches, and you get 24 twists in each pack. And I put 2 packs in, so that made it 48 individual passion twists I have in my hair. If I can find a better clip or picture, I'll insert one. The first product I'll be using on my hair is my DIY whipped shea butter. Next product I'll be using is one of my favorite edge controls, and I'll just be using this on my edges. It's the Edge Shine Edge Magic. Last product I'll be using is hair mousse. Now this is my hair. Just gonna comb it out. I think I'm gonna do 2. Yeah, I'm gonna do 2. Using my DIY whipped shea butter. Video still up on my channel if you want to see how I made my DIY whipped shea butter. Absolutely love this. Of course, since I'm doing a protective hairstyle, I'm going to keep this in for at least 6 weeks. So I want my hair to still be nice and moisturized and hydrated while it is protective hairstyle. So my DIY whipped shea butter does the trick. So this is the passion twist hair out the pack. And the bottom, I did not know the hair came like this. So the bottom of the hair, if you could tell right here, is where the twist stop. And they have like the goddess lock situation going on. Just extra curly hair hanging at the end. I didn't want that look, so I just cut the hair right here. So let me show you one that I cut and one that I didn't cut. So this is one that I cut. This is one that I didn't cut. All the way to the end. So I cut the goddess lock off right here. But if you like that goddess lock look, you could keep the curly hair all the way down to the end. I didn't want that, so I just cut it. So this section, I just split it into 2 parts. Grab the crochet hair and pull it through one of the sections. This is the other section. Split this one into 2 and start a braid. Put your passion twist hair close to your root and start braiding like a regular braid or plait. Braid down a couple times. Then I start to twist my natural hair. So after I twist my natural hair, grab the passion twist hair. This is the passion twist hair, my natural hair. Passion twist hair, my natural hair. So I twist my natural hair around the passion twist hair a few times. Open the passion twist hair and slide my natural hair through. So I just keep doing that all the way down. Twist, twist, twist. Open the passion twist hair. Slide my hair through. This time slide it through a couple times. Twist down. And since I don't have that much of my natural hair left, I'm going to open the passion twist hair one more time. And just keep twisting my natural hair through until the end. Now if my hair is a little fuzzy or curly at the end, I'll grab some of the jam, put it on the ends of my hair and keep twisting so it can stay twisted around the actual passion twist hair. And that is it. This is the hair, the twist that we just did. Super easy. I'm gonna try it one more time. just to show you. My hair, the Passion Twist hair. That's it. So let me come closer and show you. So these are the two that we just installed just now. Show you the end. So this is the lock right here that I already cut. This lock right here, I'm going to cut. So all I do is just snip off. After we're done installing, grab some mousse. That is it. I freaking love Passion Twist. I have a few videos on my channel showing how I install a Passion Twist. I will leave the links to those videos down below. Love this hairstyle. Super, super easy, quick, especially for my ladies who don't feel like taking individual hair and twisting it themselves. You don't have to do that. These twists already come twisted. Just install it, wrap your hair around it, and that is it. Love these. I only use 2 packs, like I said. 2 packs of the hair, and each pack came with 2 bundles of hair or 2 bundles of twists, however you want to call it, in each pack. The length was 24 inches, but as you saw, I cut it, so I don't know how long it is now, so let me show you. So it's still pretty long. Give you a little close-up of the twist. They look so freaking cute. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. Let me know how you feel about Passion Twists. Have you tried them yet? I know it's been around for like 2-3 years, but this is still my favorite protective hairstyle at the moment. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you will be notified when my next video is posted. Bye!